are we going to find out and solve for each of the expression down. So we're going to bring down broken down here the methods being used. Okay, so first we have the first one we have the difference of the perfect square. So looking out here for the problem for the A, we can use out the formula for that one as A squared minus B squared is equals to A minus B times A plus B down. Okay, so we're going to apply that one for here. So let's rewrite it out then as a perfect square then. So that's going to have from 16 minus m squared. That's going to give us with the answer out here as since we're going to rewrite as a perfect square. So that's 16. So it's going to be out for m squared minus m squared. So applying for the formula, that's going to give us with the answer of that one 4 minus m, and the other would be 4 plus m then. So that is how we able to get the answer for the first one then. Now, here. Okay, so look, moving on for the second one, we have for the B, that is D2 minus 121. So let's write out here for the B. Okay, so we have that D squared minus 121. Now, let's try to rewrite this one into the perfect square, perfect squares then. So that's going to be out with D squared minus 11, and applying out the formula for that one, that's going to give us with the answer out of D minus 11 and D plus 11. So that is the answer for this first part down here. Okay. So those are the answers. Try to remember, we just use out the formula of the perfect square then. Okay. And reverse it out to solve that out there.